Hello. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Welcome sa ating channel. At bago tayo magpatuloy, paghihingi ng isang like and subscribe. At huwag kalimutang pindutin ang notification bell para lagi tayong updated sa mga bagong upload natin. Okay, so our topic is about perfect square and square root. Okay, so yung objective natin dito, we have to define perfect square and square root. And determine the square roots of perfect squares. So, explore muna tayo. So, can you form a square with the given unit squares? In letter A, so there are 4 units. Okay? So, ma-form ba natin ang square yan? Okay, so the answer is yes. Letter B, ilang units to? 2, 4, 6, 8, 9 unit squares. So, ma-form ba natin yan into perfect square? So, try natin. Ayan. So, the answer is yes. Letter C, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So, try natin yung 10 squares kung ma-form natin yan into perfect square. Ayan. So, the answer is no. Kasi sobra yung isa, di ba? 9 yung perfect, yung square, tapos may sobra isa. So, the answer is no. Letter D. So, ilang units ito? There are 16 units. Okay, so i-form natin into square. Ayan, so the answer is yes. Okay, so the number of unit squares that can form a square is called a perfect square. Okay, so square root, square, letter A. There are 1. Okay, yung B, 4 yung area, C, 9, D, 16. Okay, so that is S times S, or meaning side times side. Sa letter A, that is yung side niya, 1. Then, that is 1 times 1 is 1. Okay? Letter B, 2. So, 2 times 2, 4 yung area. Letter C, 3. Okay? So, 3 times 3, that is 9. Yung letter D, 4. So, 4 times 4 is 16. Okay, so the square root of the area of the square, or the perfect square, is the length of the side of the square. So, dito tayo sa perfect square and square root. What is a perfect square? A perfect square is a number that is the product of a number multiplied by itself. In other words, it is a number that can be expressed as n squared. Babasahin natin yan, n squared. So, where n is an integer. Or pwede ring n to the second power or n raised to the power of 2. Okay. For example, 1 squared. So, that is equal to 1. Multiplied by itself. 1 times 1 is 1. 2 squared. That is equal to 4. Kasi nga, 2 times 2 is 4. Next, 3 squared. Multiplied by itself, that is 9. 3 times 3 is 9. 4 squared. So that is 16. 10 squared. That is, multiplied by itself, 10 times 10 is 100. Okay? So the square root of a number is the value that when multiplied by itself, it gives the original number. It is the inverse operation of squaring. So binaliktad lang. Okay? So the square root of a number m is written as, ayan, yung may radical tapos nasa sulod ang m. So kung babasahin natin yan, the square root of m, where m is called the radicand, and the radical, yan, radical sign, radical sign. Okay, for example, the square root of 16 is 4. Kasi nga, 4 times 4 is 16. Okay? Or 4 squared. So that is 16. The square root of 25 is 5. Okay? Because 5 squared is equal to 25. 5 times 5 is 25. So, take note yung radical numbers. Okay? So, we have to complete the table below. Perfect square. Then yung exponential form, a number that when multiplied by itself, the answer is the number in column. Okay? Then, kunin natin yung kanyang square root. Si 9. So, yung exponential niya is 3 squared or 3 times 3. Di ba? Yung square root niya is 3. So, the square root of 9 is equal to 3. What about 36? 36, so, exponential form, that is 6 raised to the power of 2, or 6 squared. Diba? Or 6 times 6. So, that is equal to, yung square root niya, 36, the square root of 36 is 6. Okay? Another one, 49. So, exponential form, 7 squared, or 7 times 7, or square root of 49 is 7. Okay, 81. What about 81? So, 81 is 9 squared, or 9 times 9, that is, square root of 81 is 9. So, another one, 121. So, 121, so that is 11 squared, or 11 times 11. That is, the square root of 121 is 11. 625. So, 625 is 25 squared, or 25 times 25. So, the square root of 625 is 25. So, ito yung mga perfect square. Okay? What about 4 over 25? So, 4 over 25, ano natin dyan? Exponential form. 2 over 5. Okay? 2 over 5 squared. Quantity, okay, 2 over 5. Okay? So, 2 over 5 times 2 over 5, or 2 pip times 2 pip. So, that is equal to 4 over 25. So, yung square root of 4 over 25 is equal to 2 pip. Okay, so next natin, ito na yung sasagutin natin sa next natin activity. At ito na lang yung topic natin for this day. At again, sa hindi pa nakasubscribe, paki-subscribe na lang. At huwag kalimutang pindutin ang notification bell para lagi tayong updated sa mga bagong upload natin. At paki-follow na rin sa ating Facebook page, Sir Ariel Math Review. Maraming salamat and God bless. Bye-bye.